we visit La Romana in the Dominican Republic with the AIDAblu. We sail past the red and white lighthouse of the Casa de Campo and enter the harbor. We pass the marina and the bridge over the Rio Dulce before we arrive at the cruise port of La Romana. On land we go into the tropical jungle. Our first stop is a cigar factory. We see how the tobacco is dried and how cigars are rolled by hand. The finished cigars are packed carefully and sold at the factory. After that, we visit a fruit plantation. We drink fresh coconut milk and can buy small souvenirs. After some time at the beach, we return to the ship. That's it. Greetings to everyone wherever you are.